If spirituality doesn't really help me fill my belly, doesn't help me earn my money directly, should I still pursue it? Now this is a very relevant question today because we as humans, we rarely do something that doesn't instantly give us tangible rewards, right? So I must answer this, and you who are watching this video, I must request you to share this view with anyone who asks you this question. Now, whoever you are watching this video, be it a parent, a student, a professional, an entrepreneur, you will agree with me when I say that modern education, although it may be making us employable, is usually not enough. To excel at any job we take up, be it business or profession, to excel at any work, we need much more than mere formal modern education. We need a calm mind. We need sharp thinking. You see, this world is constantly presenting us with endless challenges. There are challenges in the office, just the way there are challenges at home. Challenges, confrontations with colleagues, seniors, subordinates, bosses. So to excel, forget excelling, even to keep our jobs today in this hyper-competitive, cutthroat environment, we need a calm mind. We need clarity to think, we need composure, we need sharp thinking. Spirituality gives us all of this. It is really unfortunate that spirituality is not a part of our education today, and it must be. And because it is not, we have something known as practical spirituality for a better tomorrow.